Alright, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, and here what I do here is that I solve technical drawing problems, and I also provide necessary information that are needed for you to do well in your exams or technical drawing examination. And what I want to explain to you this night or now is that I want to show you how you can draw the plan and the end elevation of an inclined hexagonal solid. Is now a inclined hexagonal solid or hexagonal prism, and this is the front elevation of the hexagonal prism that we want to draw its plan and its end elevation when it is inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. So let me show you what we have here. So looking at this diagram here, if I'm looking at this object in this direction, I'm looking at it in this direction as we have here. I'm viewing it in this direction. I will see this line, and this is the line. Then I will see this line. This is the line. Then I will see this line. This is the line. So those are the three lines that I will see when I'm looking at it in this direction. Okay. Then if I'm looking at it from the top down, I'm going to see this line, and this line. Why this line, and this line will be hidden from me. So that is what we are going to put in the front elevation, and also we also look at it when we are in the end elevation when we are viewing it in this direction. Now, if you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome. And the technical drawing student, I want to advise that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students. And don't forget to practice. You need to practice this subject so that you can master it. Now, let's look at what we need to do here. I will bring that diagram once in a while whenever I need it. So the first thing that I need to do here is that draw a vertical line from this point down, and from this point draw a vertical line. Also from this point here, draw a vertical line. Then we come to this point here, to this point on the top part, so draw a vertical line, and from this point draw a vertical line. Then from this point draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then come to, just move up a little bit, so draw a horizontal line like this here. So we need to draw it to this side so that we can use it to produce the end elevation. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that now when I'm looking at this object, as I said, I'm looking at it downward like this. We are producing a plan here. I will see this line. This line, I will see it. I will see this line, and I will see this line. So how are we going to position these three lines here? So that means I'm looking at it, I will see it on this part. It's on this part that we have it. Okay, so the length of side of the hexagonal base of the hexagonal prism is 20 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is that I will put the pinpoint of my compass at this point, and I will take 10 10. So 10 down and 10 up like this, and I will take 10 up here. Then I will take 10 from here. I will take 10 down. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line from each of these points. So I need to produce it to this side so that I can use that to produce the end elevation. So I will draw this. Also, I will draw this line. Then I will draw this line. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so for the three lines that I said I will see this line, and this line. So I'm going to join this point. So I join this point together with this point. Okay, so I will join this together with this. Okay, then this point I will join it together with this. Okay, so the next is that these three lines that I said I will not see, this line, and this line that I said I will not see, they are under here. They are under here, from here to here. And don't forget they're on this first line. So I'm going to draw the line and it will be hidden. So I'm going to make them with short dashes line like this. Okay, then this also will be drawn with short dashes line, and then so this will also be drawn with short dashes line. So you can see it here. So that is the hexagon in the base part. That is the hexagon in the base part. And then, so when I'm looking at it from the top, when I'm looking at it from the top, I'm going to see hexagon on this part. I will see the whole of the hexagon on this part. I will see the whole of the hexagon on this part. If I'm looking at it on the top here, like this, down like this, I will see the whole of the hexagon around it. So I'm going to produce the whole of that. So how can we get that? So I need to join this point from here. So I will join this point together with this, like this. I will join this point together with this, like this. So this will be joined together with this, and this also will be joined together with this, and then so I will join this together with this, and this line also I will join them together. All right, so and then so I'm going to see this line. So I'm going to see this line. This line, I will see this line. I will see this line. I will see this line, and I will see this line. So there is a line on this side that I will also see. If I see this line, this line, this line, and there's a line here that we see. I'm going to see those 4 lines. So that means this line, I will see this line. So I will join this together with this. Okay, and then so this line also, I will see this line. Okay, and this line, so this line, I will see this line. So from here to here, I will see this line. So I'll join this together, and then this line, I will also join this together from here to here. Okay, so we have the line at this point, the line at this point that we have here. So the line at this point that goes like this and also goes like this, they'll be hidden from me. So that is from here, so from here to here. So I'm going to make this line, so this will be drawn with short dashes line because it is hidden, it is under the solid from this point here. It is from this point up to this point. So I believe you can see that it's from this point to this point. It is underneath, so you can't see it. So also, so from here to also be hidden, so you can't see it. All right, so that is the plan. That is the plan. So let's move on to produce the end elevation. Let's move on to produce the end elevation. So for me to produce the end elevation, so I need to produce horizontal line. So I've already drawn horizontal line from here. So this is okay. So then I will draw horizontal line from here to here, and horizontal line from this point to here. So also I will draw horizontal line so I will draw horizontal line from here. Here I will draw horizontal line, and here I will draw horizontal line. So I'm now viewing the object in this direction. I'm looking at it in this direction. So if I'm looking at it in direction, I will see the whole of the hexagon down here. I'm looking at it here. I will see the hexagon here, and I will see on this upper part. So I will see this line. I will see this line, and there's another line that I will see. around here. So I will see this line, and this line. So the one under it, I will not see that. Okay, I will see 3 lines. So this line, and there's another line that I will see. So the rest are hidden from me. So let's look at what we need to do here. So the next thing that we are going to do is to use our 45-degree set square. So with my 45-degree set square, I'm going to produce an inclined line here. Inclined line. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line, or a vertical line from each of these points. So here I will produce a vertical line, so it will go up like this, and from this point I will also draw a vertical line, so it goes up like this. So from this point I will draw a vertical line. So from this point I will draw a vertical line, and from this point I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so for the hexagon that we will see at the base, so how are we going to draw that? For the hexagon that we are going to see at the base, how are we going to draw that? So what we need to do is that I'm going to join this point together with this point, and this point will also be joined together. As I said, that we are going to see the whole of the hexagon around this part. So I will join this point together with this, and this point will also be joined together. So here I will draw this, and then this will be joined together like this. Alright, so I believe you can see that. Then the next is I'm going to see the hexagon around this part, or the 3 sides around this part. The three sides around this part, I'm going to see them. So where are they located? It is here. So we have it from here to here. We'll join this together, and then so this will be joined together, and then I will join this together with this. So while on this part, this will be hidden. So the part that we have here will be hidden. So I'm going to draw this with short dashes line, and this also will be drawn with short dashes line, and we'll also join this together with short dashes line. Okay, so the next is that, so if I'm looking at it in that direction, I'm going to see these 4 lines. I will see this line. I will see a line here, a line here, a line around here. 4 lines will be shown. So I'm going to join this line, be made with a thick line. Also this line will be made with a thick line from here to here, to be a thick line. And here also this will be a thick line, and then this will also be a thick line. Okay, so there is a line around here that I can't see. So that line, so it's underneath, so it's going to be shown hidden, so it's here, so it's coincide with that line. So likewise we have it here. So we are going to make this a short dashes line. Okay, so that is the end elevation. So this is the end elevation, and this is the end elevation, and this is the plan of an inclined hexagonal prism, as we have the front elevation drawn here. So all you need to do is to practice. Keep on watching and keep on practicing. May God bless you.